The heat is on in the House of Representatives as House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos calls for Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico to return and face serious allegations. This including issues surrounding budget and flood control projects. Despite Co's recent medical trip to the U.S., fellow lawmakers are pushing for answers. Melalas Moras reports.
I am going to be the first one to tell you that he should come home and face any and all allegations against him. They are too severe and it's dragging the House in the mud.
House Majority Leader Sandro Marcos has asked Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico to come home and address controversies being hurled against him, including issues related to the budget and flood control projects in the country. Recently, Ko traveled to the United States for medical reasons. As for Navotas City Representative Toby Chanco, he also had this suggestion to House Speaker Faustino Boje D. III regarding the matter.
I think the first thing to do is ask him for his medical certificate. Diba? So malaman natin life-threatening ba yung kanyang medical condition. Kung hindi naman life-threatening yung kanyang medical condition, wala naman siyang dahilan para hindi umuwi.
According to House Deputy Speaker Janet Garin, even under the leadership of former House Speaker Martin Romualdez, Ko had already been asked to return. But the problem is, he still hasn't come back.
The Speaker was trying to reach out to him, to request him and to allow him to mention a timetable kung kailan siya makakauwi. Oo. At in fact, during the Infracom, yun din ang nasabi ni Speaker na parating na si Saldi, at least maliliwanagan yung mga katanungan. Unfortunately, hindi dumating yung araw na yan.
Ko is one of the lawmakers being named in the hearings of the House Infrastructure Committee. Infracom co-chair Terry Ridon said that for now, they will still confer with the new leadership on the direction of the Infracom hearings, but Speaker D made it clear already that Infracom will share hearing transcripts, documents, and other evidence they gathered with the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI. Meanwhile, some representatives believe it would be better to just formally close the Infracom hearings.
That is my suggestion. No? Itigil muna yung Infracom hearing. Total meron ng ICI, di ba?
Sa pagkakaintindi namin, wala na. Or kung meron man, ito ay to formally endorse all the documents and the affidavits gathered to the ICI.
As of now, everyone is waiting for Speaker D's directives on various matters. But many lawmakers have already expressed their full support to the new House leadership, along with a promise of their full cooperation. Melalas Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.